Oh, good morning, friends and family and stuff like that, you know. All right, so today, today is dang. Today is Tuesday. All right, it's a beautiful morning. Before the rain, the sun trying to come out, but it ain't gonna come out today, you know. Look at the clouds, the sunlight right there towards there. Okay, all right. Well, it's a nice morning. Okay, for so anyway, this is the vlog. Well, let me go check the calendar. I'm always losing the track of the days. You know, today is March the 23rd, 2012. I mean 2021. I got it back. Was my bad. Okay, so today we gonna have some showers and thunderstorms and stuff like that. So it's cloudy right now. As y'all can look at the sky and stuff like that, you know. So anyway, by me just doing this weather report, so-called weather report, while I'm about to go upstairs, do my newscast. So the birds is outside. The birds ain't gonna be out there too long when it start raining and stuff like that. You know, whoever's watching, what's up? You know, whoever's watching live, what's up? Whoever's gonna watch previously recorded, hello. Oh, curtain caught on the camera. Okay. All right. School buses is passing. You know, they don't have no bus aids on the buses anymore. You know, so look at the sky. You know, it's all cloudy and everything. Okay, well it's mostly cloudy. The sun trying to come out and stuff like that. You know, yep. The sun trying to come out. Yep. So it's gonna be a rainy day. 100%. You know. Well, fortunately for me, we in a house, a roof over our head and stuff, you know. Yep. So all right. I'm gonna tell y'all something, y'all. Uh, you know something? Rainy days and stuff like that, you know. I love rainy days. You know, I love rainy nights. Y'all like that song, Rain, Rain, Don't You Go Away? I like the way you sound when you tap on my window. That's from that R&B group Forbidden that came out in 1999. There's another group called Forbidden, you know. Never heard of them, you know, until I listened to the song. I read about it. I ain't listened to it. My bad, you know. Okay. So, as we look at the clouds, Easter's coming right around the corner. You know, it's a special holiday to us. Little bus down there. Okay. So they say it should rain like around 11, close to lunchtime. So prepare for a rain day schedule, school children. If y'all going to school. Yeah, so y'all gonna have a rainy day schedule. We gonna have a rainy day schedule, you know. What are y'all rainy day schedules is, you know? Y'all can't practice the fire drill in the rain, you know. But if it's a real fire drill, you know, if it's a real fire drill, then you have no choice but to go outside in the rain, you know. When I was in high school, on only 3 times that I've been at John Mack, that we have to go outside in the rain just because of some stupid idiot, you know. I'll tell y'all about it on another video, okay? I'll tell y'all about that though, okay? On another video, okay? Yep. It sure is a day. What a day. All right. So today is gonna be a rainy day. All right. I told y'all that several times. I'm probably getting on your nerves. I hope I'm not getting on your nerves. Okay? Please tell me if I'm getting on your nerves. All right. Well, another small room or whatever. All you can say is thank God I have a roof over my head though. Uh-huh. Yep, now I'm on the first floor. This is where I stand when I'm filming the rain. This is where I stood when I was filming for Hurricane Zeta, you know. Yep. The pumps is in full action. Let's hope they're in full action, you know. Okay. Alright, so anyway, my baby cousin gonna have his first birthday, okay? So Santana, that's if his parents allow me to do my show at his birthday party. Excuse me. So y'all can watch it though, you know. Cause I do this for memories, not not just for action, for memories and for y'all to remember me by. That's why I do this, you know. One day when God called me to glory, then while I'm doing this though, then y'all know. That car was just creeping about. Yes indeed. They used to have bus seats on them on these school buses, you know. Yep. Well, not today, not this year. Oh well. Might as well go eat some breakfast. Well, I'm eat some breakfast later, or whatever. All right. So, spread some positivity, no negativity. Sound like a train, but it was a boat. All right. Thank y'all for watching this. Okay. Goodbye.